also recognize one of our own, His Excellency Sir Celestine Amihia. Whether you clap or don't clap, the issue is I can't take away the thing from him now. Except you want to take me to court now, that is your business. But I have to say it. Other distinguished ladies and gentlemen that are here, invited by the wonderful people of Andoni to witness this very, very grand occasion. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, the member representing Ogoni-Andoni-Opobo Federal Constituency has done a very great job by talking, and talking. I feel I don't even have anything to say anymore. The leader, political leader of the Andoni, and also a leader in our state, has also said a lot about this same road. I also feel a lot of things that I want to say has been taken away. But I just want to say this, that it doesn't matter who started it. What is important is today, the section of the Unity Road that connects the Andoni to the entire local governments, which when I said entire, the other two local governments, the Ogoni and the Opobo, has come to reality. That is the important thing. We have to thank first the initiator, Sir Dr. Peter Odili. We want to thank all the succeeding governments who also contributed before we finally made this day to be. It's important we set this record straight. The permanent secretary has mentioned the cost of the job. The motto remains the people first. And anything that has to do with the people, we must take it very serious. Let me, for want of time, I know that if it's this road, we're already done with the road. The politicking of the road has been done already. I don't want to politic on this road anymore. But I want to say that it is proper for me to make a promise to my people. For those of you who don't understand, the Andoni, the Obolos are my people. I want to promise you here and now that the section, first of all, that, hey, please, sorry, I forgot somebody. Right Honorable Austin Opara. Please, with due respect, sir. You know, when you're here now, you get confused in this protocol thing. I want to say here that we need to develop our own. And if we have to do it, we'll have to do it ourselves. So I promise my people that we are going to do more jobs, more connecting roads for the Andoni, by the special grace of God. I remember when we came for campaign, we did promise our people that when you support us, we are going to give you the internal road. And by the special grace of God, the Andoni gave us the required support. And by the special grace of God, the election was won. And I am your governor with the stable support of the Obolos. So let me use this opportunity to thank you first for that support. Thank you that even after the election, you have continued to support the government. Not minding the situation of the finance. A lot of people were thinking that this place will be empty. Some people had other plans. But to the glory of God, we are getting natural support people that we didn't pay money to bring. They are here to say that we identify with this government, we appreciate what this government is doing. For that alone, I want to direct the permanent secretary to immediately liaise with the contractor to ensure, first, let me call it the first part of it, that the internal road in Ungo connecting to the Oyorokoto is immediately. I am also aware that we have other issues in the other communities in the Andoni. Some of them are flooding erosion and flood issues. And other places, we are going to do something about it. It's my promise to my dear people today. I also want to say in this gathering, please support the government at the center. I'm happy when our leader was mentioning the activities of the oil well here. No interruption. I was impressed by it. It shows that we are contributing and we understand the meaning and the importance of peace. So let me enjoy you. Continue to show this good faith in the governance of this country. The success of the center is the success of the subnational. And when the subnational succeeds, which is the state, the local government will succeed. And when the local government succeed, it means more projects, more life-changing activities in your domain. I also remember that another vital area that we need to touch in our governance was mentioned, the issue of hospitals. We are coming here and we'll make sure that we attend to that need. I was in Governor's Forum meeting on Wednesday, and we were given an update on the, they call it a chart, on hospital, medical position of all the states. It was like zoned. You won't believe that in that chart, everything that has to do with enrollment, even the level of facilities that is on ground, in that assessment, Rivers State was classified as below benchmark. It's a pity. It's not something that just happened in a day. It's not something that just happened because within my time of government. No. It's a record, a statistics collected over a period. So it means when we tell you people that our target is education, healthcare, and agriculture, we didn't make any mistake. We know that we might have done other things, but that key areas have not been adequately attended to. And we promise our people this afternoon that by the special grace of God, in the next 6 months, there will be a total change in the health sector of Rivers State. I want to thank you once again. Continue to be peaceful in the face of unwarranted provocation. What is important is we have a direction and we'll continue to look at that direction. We will not allow anybody to distract us. We have to be focused in this particular situation so that when we get even a more comfortable state, the sky will now become our beginning. Let me thank every one of you this afternoon for your support, for your solidarity, for your patience. I use the word patience because one of our elders will say that the reason why people are murmuring, having small meeting, in the town square is because they expect to eat directly or indirectly one part of maybe the animal that is being slaughtered for the meeting. So a lot of you have not gotten anything, but don't worry, we will get. The important thing now is for us to make impact in this system. Like I said the other day, we just started. We started about 3 or 4 months ago. But I'm very happy that if we have to assess ourselves within that 3 months, we have done better than other people who stayed for 8 years. I stand to be challenged. Let me, on this note, invite our leaders to join me as we commission this project to the glory of God and the benefits of humanity.
Hereby, on behalf of the government and the good people of the State, commission this in the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit.